I love Flexi Rods. Flexi Rods are so great because, okay. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the Seat and the Show. So today what we're going to be doing is I'm going to be showing you guys how I basically revive my straight hair using Flexi Rods. So we're going to get started. Basically, what happens with my hair is that I'm mainly natural, as you guys know. So the goal is to not use heat. So what I do is in that 2-week period of my hair being straight, the goal is to only touch it up or put heat on it one time. So yeah, basically, as you guys can see, it's like on week 2, I damn near need to just wash it and like give it up, hang it up, but I don't want to yet. So I'm gonna show you guys what I do to revive your straight hair when it's, when it's about that time. So Flexi Rods are so great because they're a very heatless, protective way of keeping your straight hair cute and fresh and on point without putting heat on it. And I haven't straightened it, I haven't really touched it up. I think I used like a pressing comb one time, but that's been it. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I do my Flexi Rods. So the first step that you want to do, make sure your edges are laid in whatever way that looks for you. And they don't have to be perfect, as you can see. Mine's ain't by any means, they're not, but it's pretty much, you want to make sure you have your blueprint laid for tomorrow. So tomorrow when I wake up, I just know how exactly I want to go over my edges. So do that. It's going to make your life easier tomorrow. The next thing that I like to do is, this helps give my hair like shine, and I basically use coconut oil to seal my ends. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. And this is kind of solidified because it's kind of like a little colder these months. So yeah, I just basically put it on my ends to seal them because, you don't want them looking jagged and ragged the next day. As with makeup, you put your makeup on, you look pretty, or even when you do your hair, look pretty. Skincare, hair care first. So this is hair care, making sure that my ends are sealed to have them they're less prone to breakage and all that good stuff. So I'm going to start Flexi Rodding, and it's just really easy. I don't even part it or anything. I just start with the front, or whatever I perceive to be the front. So here we go. And then I'm just gonna take the Flexi Rod, and then however you want your curl to go, boom. And then I go ahead and I seal it, boom. And then we're just gonna continue on. So I'm just gonna take my Flexi Rod, however you want your curl to go. So I kind of want this to flow this way or this way. So I'm gonna curl it this way. So I take it from the top and then bring it down, and then I close it. Boom. Now, you really want to be mindful of how many you have. So me, I only have 11 total. So I have about 8 left. So I have to spend these 8 Flexi Rods very wisely. So I'm just gonna clip this and then work on this side. And then bring it in there. Clip it up, clip it up. Working with 11. So grab that. right, we are on our last one. It's kind of big, but we only had 11, so that's what we had to do. Bring that around town and then swirl it down. Swirl it down just like that. Boom. Tuck it, secure it, and we're done. Quick, easy, and all we have to do now is just put on a bonnet and go to sleep. The thing that sucks about these is that they're hard. They are hard to sleep in, but I think I got a little room over here, so I should be good. And I have them as to where I don't have to worry about my edges so much. Just be mindful of your edges when you're doing it, you know, so that they can be cute tomorrow. So yeah, basically I'm just gonna put my bonnet on, and then I'm gonna show you guys part 2 tomorrow when I wake up, how they look the next day. So stay tuned. So today is the next day, you know, went to sleep, wrap my hair up in a bonnet, and now it's time to take the Flexi Rods out and show you guys the final results. And then I just kind of blow. So now that they're all out, this doesn't require as much fluffing out as perm rods or bantu knots personally, because the hair is kind of straight. I'm just gonna, you know, fluff it out a little bit, maybe redo my edges, and then show you guys the final result. A few things I'm gonna say about my curls first. Like I said, this is just me reviving my straight hair without heat, and a great way to do that, Flexi Rods. But I will say, for me personally, I just wanted a little bend and a little bounce, you know, because before my was looking like straw, like hay. So yeah, we can't have that. So I just put the Flexi Rods in and give me some bounce, some bend, some movement, some life. If you want more of a curl definition, I would definitely recommend using smaller Flexi Rods. Using smaller ones and or using more than 11. But that's what I had, so that's what I had to do. All right guys, so this is the final results. What do you guys think? So basically the goal is for me to look like I've touched up my hair, I've flat ironed it, I've put some heat on it. Pretty much this is what I wanted. So there are so many other things that you can do without heat to touch up your hair, and the Flexi Rods are just like, it's my favorite because it's really easy, really simple, and it works. So I would recommend it. It's a little voluminous. Love it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to subscribe.